Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to use canvases on Slack. So first click on the more or the three dots right here on the left side, then click on canvases right here. So it will bring you to this page and you could either create a new canvas or you could start from a template. So let's say I'm just going to start for a template right here. So it's called the employee onboarding. So just click on it and this will have a template ready for you already. So you could add a date right here. So you'd also make sure to complete this task before the end of the week. You'd have a checkbox or checklist right here. As you can see, something like that. And here you could also set all these things up. But if you want to use it, just click on use template right here. And just wait for it to load. And boom, you could now edit it. So let's say welcome. You could also add the date, time, event. You could add the profile. So your onboarding buddies are here for questions about process, recurring meetings, and more. And here you could make something like any description they want, and of course channels to join, like suggestions and stuff, and tips to create canvas. You could remove this if you want. And you could just put all the important stuff that you want. So you could also add a section or a copy section and add the comment. So let's see, here. I could also remove this if you want. And let's say you want the paragraph, you want small heading or a big heading. So it's pretty much up to you. It's up to your preference. So that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you in the next one.